channel, and today we'll make a PowerPoint presentation of how for beginners. So let's start it, and we will make your of Independence Day. So we will start it, and by first of all we'll do it by adding a title, and we will make our title as Happy Independence Day, and INDEPENDENCEDAY, Independence Day. Now then we will go to the layouts or the designs. First, let me go to the transition. No transitions. We will go to animations. No animation, not. We will go to home only. By mistake, I did it, and we will see the design ideas. And the design ideas are generating, and if there are no design ideas, then we have to choose by our own. So see, it came, there are no design ideas, so we'll choose this one. No, it's not good. We will choose this. No. We'll choose this. No, not. Yes, this one's good, but yes, this is very good. This is the perfect. No, this one. Yes, this is the perfect. So now let's go to the animations. Then we will take this one. No, not this one. The left, right one. No, not right one. No, not sure, not perfect. No, we'll take the bounce one. Let me see if there are bounces coming. Let us see. We'll choose the another one. The bounce. Yes, the bounce is very good, so we'll take it. It's perfect. Then we'll create a new slide, and yes, new slide is created. Then we'll add go to the layout and see the other layouts, and layout is in the home menu. We'll choose first, let us see, blank one. So let us choose blank, but there is nothing, so we have to choose another layout. We will go to title content layout. So let us choose this. So we'll click to add text. See, the design ideas came, so we'll add the text first. The first text is we celebrate Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. So we'll write Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. There is some error mistake, so we will correct it afterwards. In the Independence Day on 15th of August, we'll write 15th. Okay, 15th of August. Okay, 15th of August. Then the second one that we should write, that should be Mahatma Gandhi led to Independence Day. Mahatma Gandhi led to Independence Day. Independence Day. Independence of India. Independence of India. Capital I we will do of the India one. Okay. We'll go to, sorry, the I have to add. Okay, then now we'll correct the Independence Day. Let's see. Oh, double N. So Independence, DENCE. Okay, perfect. So we have written the two lines, and design ideas came by its own, and we'll do italics of it. Okay, italics. One minute, sorry. Okay, done. Okay, so now we'll go to the transitions effect. Then we'll choose no, not that one. This one, no, not this one. We'll okay, random bars. That's good. Now create a new side. Okay, we'll go to the layout menu. Go to the layout menu, and we'll click title only, and thank you, capital thank you, exclamation mark, and yes, thank you is there. We'll go to the animations. We'll select this one. No, not this one. We'll go to transitions. In that we will select the curtains one. That is my best priority at the end. Usually for the beginners or the kids it is very good. So okay, this is perfect. So now let us add sound. Let us add sound here. We'll go to this. No, don't. We will not add sound. We don't want to add sound. Okay. So now we will go to the slide. We will go slideshow from beginning. Okay. So this is the slideshow. Happy Independence Day. It bounced. It's very good. Random bars. Independence Day. Mahatma Gandhi led to independence of India, and the curtains one that came to here. It is very good. And now at last, thank you. So it's over.